Alright. There's this tide pool I'm gonna check out. See if there's anything good in here. I think the water is coming back up. Should be high tide soon. It's what? Oh, grab them all. You can never have too many olives. What is that? What is that? It is like someone's weight. I don't know what that is. Alright, I'm gonna go back in. I just wanted to, it's like someone's boat weight or something.
Oh, I'll take that. Was that, is it what, very heavy?
Yeah, it's definitely solid.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know.
We'll take it. It could be worth $1 million.
I'm pretty sure it's not worth $1 million, but way to be optimistic, honey. Ooh, is that a tulip? Oh, look at that. This is why I love tide pools. Look at that. I hit my pants to stay up. I wore the wrong pants for bending over today. They keep wanting to fall off. Okay, what is that? I gotta not stir it up too much. Can't see anything. What is that? I'm afraid to touch it. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh. That is interesting. I think I'll keep it. It doesn't smell. Alright, don't go too far. Ooh, and there's a starfish right there. Here, let me put...
The starfish.
I'm not touching the starfish.
What is that?
It's not alive, and it doesn't smell, so chill. I just want to show it on camera, and then I'll put it back. Ooh, this one's different from yesterday. Look at that. Ooh, so pretty. I never said that. I said I was going to put it back. Oh, jeez, Louise, Robert. That might be this. Oh, my God.
Just leave the blessed starfish alone.
Jeez, Louise, Robert.
How would you like it if a big hand came out of the sky and picked you up?
Got it. Crabby butt. Ooh, this is a scallop. He's alive. He's alive. Respect the wildlife. Sorry, Robert.
I'm going to report you to the game warden.
I didn't keep him. I didn't do anything illegal. Jeez Louise. Supposed to have my back there, Robert. My back.
You're going to have your back when it comes to starfish.
I was never keeping him. I just took a picture. Jeez. Probably the same one from yesterday, so chill. I'm gonna punch you in the face. He moved. He's still alive. I didn't hurt him, so chill out, you crazy dude. What is that? I feel like it's moving. I'm afraid to. Okay, I'm not touching some of this stuff. Shaming me for not doing anything wrong. Oh my God, I didn't do anything wrong. Freak. There's a whole bunch of scallops. Having a fun old time in this water. You done yelling at me?
In a moment.
Thank you. Thank you for being done yelling at me. Scallop. Scallop. 2 lousy shells out of that tide pool. It's just too murky. You can't see anything. Too murky. Are we close? We're trying to find this property that we might rent next time we're here. Let's check it out. What? Oh yeah, because those look like huge $1 million houses, so that's not the property we want to rent.
That's nice because it's family owned. It's not owned by some big management company. So
Sure.
I would rather deal with family owned.
Sure.
They at least take care. Especially when you watch the Hallmark Channel and it's the same thing there.
You and your Hallmark channel. Look at that crane, or whatever, the bird. Don't know what kind of bird it is. It's just pretty birds. Pretty birds that will attack you if you're not careful.
Yeah.
I just was talking about him.
I couldn't hear a word you're saying. The ocean's too loud.
The ocean is very loud.
I wouldn't have a perch on my arm.
No. I can confidently tell you no. Speaking of arm, can we pull the sleeve down, please?
Oh, you want it down now?
Yes, down now. I'm not going to put my hands in the water anymore. I don't want to burn. I like my Casper the Whiteness.
Shake it. Shake it off.
I'm not a tanner. I like to be white.
Just so you know, the place will be on the left side.
I didn't think it was going to be on the right. Thank you, honey bunny. I burn very easily, so that's why I'm wearing on.
There's another fuzzy bird.
It is.
Look at me.
There's a crab claw. Goodbye, bird. I'm passing you. It's got yellow feet. Yellow feet.
Sun's at beating down.
I know. This is the part where we go back to the room and relax for a couple hours because it's getting a little warm. Warm? Did I say that wrong? So it's the point where I'm hungry, and so I make no sense. We did have breakfast. Our hotel gives us breakfast basket. What's what?
Things sticking up out of it.
At this point, I don't really care what it is.
I do too.
My sleeves are down. I'm hungry.
Your tail's down?
My sleeves are down. Not my toe. I don't have a toe. Sorry to disappoint you, honey. That looks like it's small. Are we there? That looks like it's... Is it this? Okay. Alright, we're gonna go off the beaten path and look at these cottages to see if maybe we'll stay there next trip. Sure, give me a second. I'll show you the beach one last time.